Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm with CSU Residence Life. Today I'm really excited to talk to you about our roommate matching software, Please Don't Snore. This unique system allows our first year and our upperclassmen students the opportunity to create a profile online and meet and talk to students with similar likes and dislikes as you. Students can create a profile and start matching for fall of 2020 right now. All you need to do is go to pleasedon'tsnore.com, click on Find Your School, find and click Columbus State University, click Create a New Profile, type in the organization code, which is CSU Residence Life 20, create a profile and start matching with potential roommates. If you find somebody that you would like to live with, all you need to do is coordinate about the specific room that you're living in, because each student is responsible for selecting their own room. If you have any questions about this process, please feel free to call our office at 706-507-8710 or email us at housing@columbusState.edu, and we hope to hear from you very soon.